Hi, showing how the inspection module is working. It is not for training. First step to work with inspection, we should define the criteria. We can go to the inspection module, main record, inspection criteria set here. In inspection criteria set browser, we can define two types of inspection criteria. First one for materials, the second one for operations. For materials, we can create criteria for material transaction. If we need to purchase oil, as example, we can put criteria for accepting purchasing this material. For operation, when we can define the criteria for inspection if we need to produce this operation, the produce of the material, produce the oil, of course. So we can define the criteria for every operation to accept this step in producing. You can create many steps here, many criteria for every step. As example, we have here two lines, two operations I have defined before. The first one for material, for transaction of the material, the second one for production. So for the checking the purchasing of the oil, we have three steps here. Checking the color of the oil and if it's clear or not, then the result of checking if it's acceptable or not. After inserting these lines, we should insert the value for every line here, minimum, the minimal value, and here the minimum and the maximum value, acceptable value. Here, if you purchase 100, you will take or you will check only one piece. If you purchase 100 piece of oil, here to check the clearing. Also, when you purchase 100 of pieces of oil, you need to check only one piece, quality of this piece, of course. Your rate here also. The last one, after you defining the criteria results item here, passed or rejected, you can insert the values here. Also the same thing. Here the values of these steps as a result. We can save it. For the operation also the same. But here we have two lines, two steps. First one, checking the color and evaluation, if it's okay or not. For the type of the line, if it's a checking step, we can select here qualitativity, not quantitative, or we can, if it's results, qualitative. We should check here for the line type. Then the next step, we should assign this criteria to material. We should go to the material management, main record, materials. As example, I will create a new material. Sorry, maybe we should not finish good. We can create as commercial good also. After we saving it, right click here, inspection criteria assignment. Here, for materials, here, we can check these, we can select the operation, inspection here. Then we can save it, close. Then let us purchase this material now. purchase invoice. I will select the supplier here, material, I will buy 150. If we save it now, inspection value entry is needed. One message it will appear. Okay, we should go with right click and inspection value entry. We should select here. For the first step, we can insert one material that I checked here from the criteria that I will take from. If I purchase 100, I will take one piece to check it. It's okay. For this step, I check only one piece. It's okay. See here the rate is shown in the down. The result for one of them, it's passed or not. If you insert values here out of range, the line status will be suitable or not. After we save it, we can save the purchase invoice. This is the first step to check the quality control management, inspection management with material transaction. In the next part of this video, we will show how we can use the inspection in the production management. What we should have to work with inspection for production management. The first, we should have here finished goods, have not semi-finished goods, we have two raw materials. We will produce this material where we should put the inspection criteria. We should assign it to when we defining the production cards on operations. Here, after we defining the operations that we will do in the production steps, you can assign this inspection criteria. I have assigned before this oil producing that we explained before. We have two steps. Only we need to check the color and we evaluate it's okay or not with degree values. See like this. Then after that we will create production order for this finished good. We will select this finished good oil. I will produce one only. Then we calculate, as you know, the slips is generated here. The material slip is generated as planned here. Then after we inserting the status info continuing, actual quantity entries, and we insert that what we will produce. I will insert only one also. Then calculate, then generate slip. What this slip is known. Then if we go inside the producing order, we will see new tab here, inspection, that we should insert it. If we change the status to completed here, one message will appear insufficient number of controls. It's not acceptable. We should go inside and we should fill the operation inspection criteria here. Inspection value entry. For the first line, if it's okay, we can insert this value. If it's evaluation okay or not, passed or not, save. After we saving it, we can change the status to complete. The third part of this video, which parameter we should take care for inspection module from administration definition. Here we have warehouses and divisions. Here for inspection, which warehouses we will do for it here. We should select the warehouses here. And we have special parameter for inspection also. These two parameters is very important. This one of them for operations, one of them for material. It should appear every only for warning or for block or proceed. See, if he didn't fill the information. Here, which slips you need to execute the control, inspection control for it. This is very important parameters for inspection modules. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.